Kinontra ng ilang kongresista ang pahayag ni Senador Ping Lacson na posibleng hindi agad mag-convene ang Senado bilang impeachment court kung may mga senador na haharang dito. Sa darating na Lunes, isa-isang tatawagin ng mga kongresista at ililista ang kanilang boto kung pabor ba sila o hindi sa committee report at resolusyong nagtatakda ng Articles of Impeachment laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte. Saksi si Tina Panganiban Perez.
Sa nakatakdang botohan sa plenaryo sa Lunes, si House Committee on Justice Chair Representative Jervy Luistro ang magsusponsor sa committee report at resolusyon nagtatakda ng Articles of Impeachment laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte.
I will be speaking on everything that happened before the Justice Committee. Of course, the fact that this evidence remains unrebutted even to the date of the plenary vote because the respondent Vice President never answered the allegation of offenses in the impeachment complaint.
There might be interpolations and debates and baka sa Monday rin maganap ang voting by the plenary.
Sa ngayon, wala pang opisyal na nagpalista, but I understand some of the members are interested to show their support or express their dissent to the results or the decision of the Committee on Justice.
Base sa rules on impeachment ng Kamara, roll call vote ang gagawin. Ibig sabihin, isa-isang tatawagin ang mga kongresista at ililista ang kanilang boto. 106 na boto ang kailangan para maiakyat ang Articles of Impeachment sa Senado. Basta raw makuha ang botong ito, kahit mas marami ang mag-no o mag-abstain, aakyat pa rin daw ang Articles of Impeachment sa Senado.
It doesn't affect the validity or the approval of the Articles of Impeachment because the Constitution simply requires that at least 1/3 of all the members of the House of Representatives, regardless of how many will say no or how many will abstain.
Pagkatapos ng botohan,
It will be transmitted as soon as the Secretary General of the Senate is open to receive the Articles of Impeachment. Kunyari, nag-adjourn kami, inumaga kami, the following day, Monday, the following day, Tuesday, 9 o'clock, pwede nang i-transmit yun ng Secretary General of the House so that the Secretary General of the Senate could receive the Articles of Impeachment.
kinontra naman ni De Lima at Defensor ang pahayag ni Senator Panfilo Lacson na posibleng hindi agad mag-convene ang Senado bilang impeachment court kung ito ay haharangin ng mas maraming senador.
It's very clear sa Constitution. It's a constitutional imperative. It's an imperative constitutional process. The Constitution, the language of the Constitution says shall. Hindi ito may.
Under the Constitution, there is no reason to block the convening of the Senate as the impeachment court. There are no conditions under the Constitution. Dapat may trial talaga at kung sa palagay ng mga senador ay kailangan nilang i-acquit, edi i-acquit nila sila. Kung kailangan nilang i-convict, edi i-convict nila. But not to block the trial and to avoid your constitutional duty to convene and hold trial and make a decision.
Tina Panganiban Perez, ang inyong saksi.